Hi, I'm Dr. Doug Maxhiner. I'm the creator of ExamZoom.net, and I wanted to do a little quick tutorial of the exam feature available at ExamZoom.net. So from the home page, we're going to click on the Perform Exam button. When we click on that, it's going to bring up a list of some example names of patients we could use, and so we're going to click on one and we'll click the Start Exam button. Now we have the Perform Exam page. We have a list of test names that we'll be performing as part of this exam, and for each test we can click pass or fail, as well as a little checkbox to indicate if pain was experienced during the test. We can also have a measurement box here, as well as additional notes that we can put in the side here. The next little button here is the DNP button if you did not perform that exam. Now as we go through and we click on different test results, we can see a map populate here of areas that have been tested. Additionally, we have clinical decision support, and in this case it's set up to run the SFMA Selective Functional Movement Assessment algorithm, and so it will give indications of different things to do. So in this case we see we had a fail for cervical flexion, and it says perform the cervical breakout. So we can go up here to this box and click on cervical breakouts to go to the cervical breakout portion. Now we have a different set of tests, and we can go through and select whether each item was passed or failed. So when we click an item here, we see once again another clinical decision support. So based on the tests we've performed so far, we need to improve active cervical spine flexion motor control. So we can start with some exercises for that patient. We can go through and select additional items for the test, and we can scroll down the screen and see the complete list here. As we go through and check the different boxes, we receive additional indications on our body map and any other additional clinical decision support steps we need to take. We can click on the View Detailed Report button, and that brings us to a different page that has a full listing of all the tests that were performed and whether they were pass or fail. Here we see green indicates a pass, yellow box indicates a fail, and red lettering indicates that pain was perceived with that test. Once again, we have our action items that need to be performed, as well as another body map indicating both the tests that were performed as well as the areas that experience pain during the testing. As we scroll down, we see that each region of the body has a separate identifiable detail. We have the regions for all the different body parts as well going down for full detail, but you can see they're all empty because we didn't do any specific tests for those regions. So from here we can get a print-friendly version to share with our patient or place in our file. And we also have the option of saving this exam as well if you are a registered user. For the demonstration version, we do not have that feature available yet. I look forward to having you try out the site and giving me feedback as to what you like and dislike about the site and other features you might want available. Please check out our additional videos that provide more detail on performing exam as well as some of the other features such as search. Thanks for watching.